Okay, welcome to another episode of Lightning Learning Lessons. Today, we're going to quickly review a very simple but fun skill. How to create drop shadow in Gimp. Now, drop shadow can be used for photos or for text, but today, we're going to do it just for text, for fonts, for words, for sayings, for sentences. But let's just say text. To begin, you of course have to make a new canvas. Command N. N standing for new. You'll get this nice pop-up screen. Just for fun, why don't we say 1000 by 1000? Okay. Now, in order to stay in good habits, what I always like to do, and you should save all the time as well, is hit Command S whenever I make a new canvas. Command S. Now, let's see, Command S, Command S, Command S. Let's label it Drop Shadow Lesson. Okay. We always save in, where should we save? Where should we save? Where should we save? Pictures. Now look at this, my computer is loading, but I should take some of my own advice. Give it time, it will load. Trust me. Okay. So Drop Shadow Lesson, saved into pictures, and save. Okay, so now we have a nice blank canvas. Let us put our text on it so we can add drop shadow after. We grab our text tool. The font is fine. Let's make it size 100. And we're going to write the word example. Okay, example. Now, I made a text box by dragging, and I typed in example. Okay, so I have typed example, and now it's time to review the process to create drop shadow. First things first, before you ever do drop shadow, always hit Command Shift A, or go up to Select, make sure that none is gray. If for some reason none is black like that, it's no good. Select none, or Command Shift A. We cannot have a selection while we are doing our drop shadow. So now that we've unselected, we're going to go to Filters, Light and Shadow, and then over to Drop Shadow. Now, if you notice, there are a lot of great options here, but let's just click on Drop Shadow. Now, if for some reason the drop shadow window pops up behind, if that happens, move down Gimp by dragging on the top gray box, drag drop shadow over, move Gimp back up, and drag drop shadow back. Now, the offset X and Y decides how far off of our word the drop shadow will be. Let's leave these settings as they are for now, and let's leave the blur radius as it is for now. The main setting that we want to change is we want to unclick Allow Resizing. Again, you need to unclick so this box is empty for Allow Resizing. Feel free to change the color. Let's go with, you know what? I like yellow. Let's go with yellow. And let's change the opacity. If I was to make it 100, it would be not see-through at all. It would be like a brick wall. If we were to make it 0, you would not see it at all. It would be like an open window. So I think that the number they chose for the default, 60, is A-okay. Amazing. So our numbers are good. Our color is good. Our opacity is good. We've already unchecked Allow Resizing. And let's click OK. Well, hot dog, look at that. We have the yellow drop shadow and a new drop shadow layer below our word example. All right, please, by all means, feel free to rewind, feel free to save, and feel free to go on to the next video. Good luck with your drop shadow.